Good evening, friends. This is Mamaw. I'm going to make a buttermilk pie. First, I'm going to add 3 beaten eggs. ½ cup of butter. I just used salted butter. That's all I had, so 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, one tablespoon of lemon juice. I like fresh, but I didn't have any. A teaspoon of vanilla. And now we'll get this mixed up good. I'm also going to add some sea salt, just a little bit. Now I have an unbaked pie shell. I'm going to pour it in. This is going to go in the oven at 400 for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to 350 for 40 minutes. And you want to set this on a cookie sheet or something in case it rolls over. Here it is, right out of the oven. I'm not going to cut it right now because I might give it to somebody tomorrow night. So, it turned out beautiful. Quote of the day: be careful who you open up to. Only a few people really care. The rest just want something to gossip about. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.